Welcome, students. Last time we did the poem in Morning Dew, and I explained the poem to you. And in your worksheet, you wrote down the explanation of different lines of the poem in your own words. So today we'll do question answers based on the poem. Let's start. First question is, why does the scarecrow look neat and tidy in the morning? So you will say, in the morning the scarecrow looks neat and tidy because the dew settles the scarecrow's hair and he looks absolutely neat and clean. Next question, when does the scarecrow wake up? The scarecrow wakes up in the morning. What is he not able to see? The scarecrow is not able to see his shadow. When does the shadow disappear? The shadow disappears at sunset. Next question. What does the scarecrow not know? The scarecrow does not know in what order the seasons follow each other. Okay? It means that he does not know that the season of autumn comes after summer, and after autumn we have the winter season. All right, some more question answers. What does the scarecrow do in the morning? You will say the scarecrow spies on monkeys, porcupine and flocks of birds in the morning. What does the scarecrow see? The scarecrow sees everything around him, the fields, the flocks of birds, small animals like monkeys and porcupine around him, except his own shadow. What are the questions that bother him? So you will say the questions that bother him is how seasons come and go. From where do the seasons arise? Whether they come from the ground or they drop from the sky. So these are the questions that bother the scarecrow. What does he know about the seasons? So you'll say about the seasons, he knows that winters are freezing and summers are hot. What does the scarecrow do to keep questions out and answers in? You will say the scarecrow bolts his upper story's door, meaning the scarecrow thinks hard and uses his brain to find out the answers to his questions. So these are the question answers based on the poem. In morning dew, the scarecrow combs his hair. In morning light, the scarecrow looks so spry. Now, first question will be, name the poem and the poet. You will say the name of the poem is In Morning Dew and the poet is Keki Nasarvanji Daruwala. Next question, why does the scarecrow look so alert in the morning? You will say in the morning the scarecrow looks so alert because he's had a good night's sleep and now he is in a fitter state to keep an eye or watch the animals and birds around him. Next question is, but busy as he is, he keeps an eye on all the bird traffic passing by. The question will be, what do you understand by these lines? You can write, the scarecrow keeps watching all the birds, the flocks of birds around him, and he keeps an eye on them, and the birds are not able to sit on the fields because they are afraid that the scarecrow is watching them. Next reference to context, While seasons circle round and round like oxen on a threshing floor. What do you understand by while seasons circle round and round? You will say the seasons appear to be moving in a circle. One season is followed by another season. So these seasons appear like moving in a circle to the scarecrow. What do you understand by like oxen on a threshing floor? Oxen are used in the fields to do the threshing of the grain after the grain is harvested. Threshing means removing the husk from the grain. So this is the meaning of threshing. So this is all for today. You have a worksheet after this, following this. So you will write down the answers which we have discussed today. That's all for today. Thank you.